Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel again. So I am on a mission to help you ace your CA exams with confidence and clarity. This video will help you get closer to your goal of becoming a chartered accountant. So CA Final Group 1 May 2026 exams are closer than you think. And if you are still wondering how to complete the syllabus, how to revise properly and score well, don't worry, I have got you covered. So in this video, I am sharing a complete 47-day revision plan, which includes day-by-day targets, subject-wise strategy, revision cycles, and smart tips that the toppers actually use. If you want clarity, structure, and zero last-minute stress, this plan is exactly what you need. So let's break it down step by step and start your preparation the right way. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA exam related strategies, tips and guidance. So here I have the outline of the study plan. So this is for CA Final Group 1 May 2026 exams. And this is a 47-day revision plan. And the plan is starting from 16th March onwards. However, if any one of you come across this video later on, suppose any of you are writing in September 26 attempt and you find this video later, you can still follow this plan. Because as you can see in this plan, along with the dates and the plan, I have written the day as well. So you can follow this plan. So now let's see the plan. So actually this is a summary of the plan. So this plan is available in the PDF format as well, detailed day-wise plan. So if you want information about the detailed PDF, please stay with me till the end of the video. So now let's see what this plan is all about. So from day number 1 to day number 18, that is from 16th March to 2nd April. Here you will start your revision by revising the chapters with the highest weightage. So while starting a revision, it's always better to start revising the chapters with the highest weightage. So when you go to the BOS Knowledge Portal, there you can see which all chapters comprise the highest weightage in each of the subjects. And then you can study those chapters first. So at least maximum marks will be in your hand if you complete the chapters with highest weightage first. Now moving ahead with the plan. From day 19 to day 24. That is from 3rd April to 8th April. So here what you will be doing is you will be continuing your revision plus you will attempt the mock test paper series 1. So how you will do is like in the real exam, 1.5 days you will revise one subject and then you will give the mock test paper for that subject. So during the real exam also you have 1.5 day revision time, right? So to practice that, you will implement that in the mock test paper scenario itself. So for example, on 3rd April the entire day and on 4th April the half day, you will revise FR. And then on 4th April afternoon, you will give the mock test paper series 1 for FR. Then on 4th April afternoon, after your mock test paper, you will analyze your mock test paper answers. So while attempting the mock test paper, you have to simulate the exam-like condition. Like you have to sit in a separate room, don't refer any notebooks. Present your answers in the same way like you do in the real exam. Practice the time management as you will practice in the real exam. Complete the answers within the 3 hours time frame. So these all steps you will have to follow while attempting the mock test paper. And just attempting the mock test paper will not be sufficient. After writing the mock test paper, one important thing that you have to do is you have to analyze your answers of your mock test paper. So ICI would have hosted the answers of the mock test paper, right? So you have to compare your answers with the ICI answer and you have to analyze the answer for each of the subject. Now for example, for FR, you have to analyze whether you have followed the formats correctly and whether you have quoted the Ind AS name and number correctly and whether you were able to correlate the questions given with the correct Ind AS and whether anywhere if formula is involved, whether you were able to write the formula correctly. And in case of any conceptual question, whether you were able to express the concept correctly. So on for each of the questions you have to analyze. And whatever errors you have done, please note it down. Because in the coming days, you will resolve those errors. You will be working on those errors. The main intention of giving the mock test paper is that itself. We have to find out in which area we are lacking behind. And in that area, we have to work in the coming days. Then for AFM subject, you will have to check whether you have written the formulas correctly, whether you have solved the numerical problem step by step. And for conceptual answers, you have to see, like even theory questions will come, right? You have to check whether you are able to understand the concept correctly and write correctly in the exam. And then for auditing, check if you have written correctly the standards on auditing number, name, whether you are able to correlate correctly. Like mostly the application based questions will come, right? So whether you are able to correlate the like the case given in the question with the standards on auditing and whether you are able to give the relevant conclusion. Then check whether you have written the correct clause number correctly. So on, you have to check for auditing subject. So in this way, you have to do detailed analysis for each of the subject and you have to write it in a separate notebook. Now moving ahead with the plan. So from day 25 to day 34. So this will be from 9th April to 18th April. So here what you will do is you will study the remaining chapters. So you will continue with your revision. So whatever errors you have come across during the mock test paper 1 analysis, you will try to work on those errors. So before going ahead with this revision plan, next up on the screen you can see some feedback. So previously also I had created some revision plans and I had received feedbacks from some CA students and I was really happy to receive those feedbacks because those planners were very helpful for the CA students and the planners helped the students to complete their syllabus on time and it also increased their confidence level. So please have a look at the feedbacks. So now you can see the feedbacks here. So students found this study planner helpful and they were able to follow this easily as well. So previously I had got request many times to convert the study plan into a PDF. That's why this time I have made a PDF also for that. So these were the feedbacks. So don't just watch the plan, follow it. So what I have done is I have converted this entire strategy into a detailed step-by-step PDF planner that tells you exactly what to study for the next 47 days. So it includes day-wise, slot-wise, which all subject you will be studying. And it also includes smart rotation between the 3 subjects of group 1. That is when to study AFM, audit and FR. How to rotate smartly in these subjects. So this planner includes daily subject-wise scheduling, revision cycle, slot for mock test paper practice. And it also includes a smart strategy to avoid burnout. And it also has separate slots for practicing the MCQ also. So as we are aware that the MCQ is for 30 marks. So it is very important to practice MCQ thoroughly. So every day you have to spend some time for practicing the MCQ as well. So that by the end of this 47 day, you must be able to practice MCQ accurately as well as in fast speed. Because MCQ doesn't have a negative marking also. So if you master MCQs and score well in the MCQ part, then your pressure will be less in the descriptive part. So this study planner includes that also. So many of the students who used my earlier planner were able to complete their syllabus on time and they also felt more confident during the exam. So that's exactly why I have created this new 47-day revision planner to make your preparation stress-free too. Now going ahead with the summary of this study plan from day 35 to day 40. So that is from 19th April to 24th April. So here you will continue revision plus you will attempt the mock test paper 2. So for each 1.5 day again you will be revising each of the subject. So on 19th April the whole day and 20th April half day you will revise FR and then on 20th April afternoon you will give the mock test paper 2 and then 20th April you will after attempting the mock test paper you will analyze the mock test paper. Same way for the other subjects also. So actually when you attempt the mock test paper 2, many errors should not be there. Like most of the errors you would have mitigated here itself from day 25 to day 34. However, still if you come across any errors, please make a note of that because still some more days are left. So your mock test paper 2 marks should have significantly increased in comparison with mock test paper 1. Next, from day number 41 to day number 44, that is 25th April to 28th April. So here you will revise the remaining chapters. So if any other chapters are pending, you will revise that and then you will resolve the mock test paper 2 errors. So basically you will be starting your revision by revising the chapters with the highest weightage. Then 1.5 days you will revise each subject and attempt mock test paper 1 and you will analyze and note down the mock test paper 1 errors. Then you will continue your revision and you will resolve the mock test paper 1 errors. Then after that, again 1.5 day, you will revise each subject and attempt mock test paper 2. And then you will revise any other remaining chapters. Plus, if any errors are there to be resolved by MTP2 analysis, you will be doing that. So in this way, by the time you attend the real exam, you will be completely exam ready and you would have resolved all the errors. And from day 45 to day 47, that is the last 3 days, from 29th April to 1st May. So here you will start studying for the paper 1 FR. So usually it is better to start studying early for the paper 1. Because if the first paper goes well, it will give you confidence for the next papers. And also it will build a positive momentum for the other exams as well. So it's better to start revising early for the first paper. So as I mentioned earlier, if you want this detailed day-wise, slot-wise study plan, the PDF is in the link given below. This planner includes complete Group 1 coverage in 47 days, daily subject-wise revision structure, smart rotation between FR, AFM and audit. And it also has dedicated slots for MTP practice and MTP analysis. And also balanced theory and practical preparation and slots to practice the MCQ. And there are clear daily targets which will help you to avoid procrastination. And also it will help you to reduce exam stress and burnout with systematic revision. Remember, CA is not about studying 12 to 15 hours randomly. It's about consistent planned study every single day. So follow this 47-day plan sincerely and you will see a huge difference in your confidence and marks. So if you follow this strategic revision system, you will be able to focus on high weightage and exam relevant areas. You can integrate practice with revision and you can also practice mock test paper in the correct time slots. And you will be able to maintain realistic and achievable goals. And you will also be able to prevent burnout through structured flow. So consistency plus structure leads to exemption level preparation. So your coming attempt can be your breakthrough attempt. Stop overthinking, start executing. So the link of the PDF is given in the description below. Click on the link below and grab the PDF and start your smart revision from today itself. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe for more CA exam strategies, revision tips and motivation. All the best for your preparation and I will see you all in the next video.